All right, it's Tuesday, June 20th. Just following up on AI, you can see it's moved down now to its first target. It paused there and it's continuing lower. I just scaled out at that area. I bought these 45 puts at 266. I scaled out of some of the position at 370. They're asking 4 right now. And AI is moving lower. Again, bought the puts here near the blue line. This was our first target. We hit it, we paused, and that's where you could have bounced, but it looks like it wants to continue lower. So now we have the 2 down day that at least projects to these 2 lows down here. We'll see if it gets there. What's that level? That's 40.64. Then you have the psychological 40 area. On the weekly chart, we're kind of inside of last week, kind of continuing the selling from that selling tail. But, we really have to get below, well, I could see here getting to the midpoint of that bar, and then we'll see what happens from there. It's still an inside week, so it's going to be tricky. Are we going to have a real collapse and get a 2 down week? I can't say that for sure. But all signs pointed to kind of a weak opening, a little bit of a pullback. And now at no risk, I can kind of judge how this 2 down day, if it reaches these 2 targets down here, that's kind of what you're expecting. And then from there, that's kind of the midpoint. I'm flashing on that. That's the midpoint of the prior week on an inside week. So I don't know how much lower it's going to go from there, but it's certainly, moving down from the open here. That was kind of anticipated. So we'll see what kind of a pullback we get at no risk. Again, you can take kind of base hit gains down here, but if all goes well, we should be heading down to that kind of 40 area down in this area, at least on this pullback. You can see kind of a fair value gap in there and liquidity. So we'll see if it gets there today or, early in the week. And then, we'll kind of monitor the weekly chart from there and the bigger picture as to what's really going on with this stock.